Hi, this is Kara from Smorgasbox. I am creating this video to show you how to set up a multi-buy offer on a range of your products. The premise of this offer would be buy two, get 10% off, buy three and get 15% off, buy four and get 20% off. The purpose of this offer is that we encourage customers to buy more than one product, and we also can encourage them to buy more products from within your range. So some companies have a hero product and they're trying to launch other products around that, and it kind of helps them piggyback off the success of that first one. So customers would see the other products and think, okay, well, I'm going to buy the other ones because I'll get 15% off. So that's the logic there. So we hover over inventory, go down to manage promotions. You'll see a few types of promotions here, but for now, we're going to stick to money off. So we're going to say buy at least two of these products. We're going to select our product selection. So if you haven't got this set up, you select create a new product selection, ASIN list or SKU list, whatever works best for you. Let's say we're going to call this colourful shoes. And then we're going to call the internal description the same thing. So our ASIN list, you'll have to get this from your inventory, but it would look something like this. And so on. So you've created a selection of the products that you want to be included in this buy 10, get 10% off. So let's pretend I've created that. And then here I would do select another, and I would see colourful shoes as the tracking ID here. And then I would select that. You can also select entire catalogue if that's how you want to do it. So we're going to say buy two, percentage off. They're going to get 10% off. Applies to purchased items. We are good. So your start date has to be at least 4 hours from now. And then set this for whenever you want. Maybe you want it to run for the next 10 years. That's a lot. But then we'll call it buy two, get 10% off. I tend to keep the tracking ID the same thing so that I can see it really quickly. You can either do none here for the claim code, or you can do group. I would suggest that you do none, but you can also do it where they can input a code. And so shoes 10. Let's do that. That sounds like a good one. And one redemption per customer sounds about right. I'll leave that to you. If we do preferential, make sure you do that, because if you do unrestricted, they can start to combine coupons and end up with a lot of money off. So let's not delve into that. Detail page display text. We want that to be ticked. If you don't want that ticked and you click no, that means it won't show up on your listing page. So you'd have to specifically give people the code shoes 10 for it to work. But we're going to leave that for now. So the customized text that we want here, buy two, buy any two colourful shoes and get 10% off. Woohoo! Very exciting. So then that is how you do it. I would suggest that if you want this one to come up first, you'd put it as 1. From a merchandising perspective, I'd say that it's important to have the buy 2 and get 10% off first, then display the buy 3 and get 15% off, and then buy 4 and get 20% off. It's just so that then only one is shown automatically on the page. They'd have to click into the promotions available to see the rest. It's just much more achievable for someone to think that they could buy 2 and get 10% off. So that is pretty much it. Let's just check that we've done everything. I believe we have. Okay, I'm good with that. Then we do review. It's turning me off because I didn't select purchased items. It's not long enough. choose 210. Is that long enough? Choose 210. Let's see. Yeah, okay, cool. And then you do submit. And then 4 hours later, it comes live. So then to get the 3x3 and get 15% off, you would just go back into manage inventory, manage promotions, and set up that in the exact same way. So it would be buyer purchases at least this quantity of items 3. Buyer gets percentage off 15. You'd leave it the same product selection. You'd change the internal description and tracking ID. You change the code. You change this text. And then you're good to go. And then redo it all over again for the buy 4 and get 20% off. And then obviously click submit. But that is how you do it. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.